Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup, where we point out some stories that you might have missed, and as always, links are below, so be sure to check them out. Brian, why don't you start us off?
Okay, so this week DJI announced a solution development partnership with the Los Angeles Fire Department to create, test, and deploy its UAS technologies as an emergency response preparedness tool. DJI will provide the department with access to new technologies, training, and support so that the agency can utilize the technology as part of its operations. In New Jersey, the Union Police Department has announced plans to add UAS to its operations. The department will use the technology for a variety of operations, including search and rescue, accident investigations, and to search for suspects when applicable. And finally, representatives from Drive, Ohio, the University of Cincinnati, and the UAS group from Springfield, Ohio, will use drones to study traffic patterns in Springboro, Ohio. The technology will be used to determine current traffic patterns and gather data to plug into different traffic models to determine better traffic signal timing and potential alternate routes during peak traffic school times.
We could use some of that around here, I think.
Most definitely.
So we talked recently about FLIR, which is known for its FLIR sensors, buying some other companies to expand its reach, and it hasn't done that this time, but it's invested in a company called Dronebase, which is a network of small UAS pilots. So they're going to give them some equipment, help them train up on it just to increase their flexibility for those services. Kongsberg has unveiled the Sounder unmanned surface vehicle, which can be used for a variety of missions, including surveying and fishing. And in fact, the company has sold it to the largest fishing company in Peru. So that's a good start. Wing, which is the delivery arm of Google and Alphabet, has launched a delivery service in parts of Canberra, Australia. So certain neighborhoods, you'll be able to get your stuff pretty quickly. Within hours or even minutes in some cases. And last but not least, Sentient Blue, a company from Italy, took top prize in the annual Genius New York competition. So they won $1 million, and they're going to set up their company in central New York. And that company and all of the finalists will be at Exponential coming up here in a couple of weeks in Chicago. So if you're interested, go check them out and see all the other things going on at the show. That's what we have for you this week, and we'll see you next week.